Crazy Cooking. Today we will be making meatballs. Let's get started. So in this bowl right here that you're looking at right this second, we have ground pork, a pound of it, ground veal, also a pound of it, half an onion, and 2 garlics. Now we have 3/4 of a cup of Romano cheese and 2 eggs. Okay, we'll be putting in 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. Then put salt, pepper, and parsley in for the taste. And a cup of water. And then we'll mix it up. Okay, now we're gonna roll the meatballs and put them on the tray, but first, dip your hands in the water and then take a little wad of the mixture that we've made, and then circle it into a meatball. Ta-da! Okay, so we've finished rolling out the balls. Now we're gonna put it in the oven on broil for 5 minutes, and that's 5 minutes on each side. These look so good. I'd love it if I added them to my favorite sauce. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Say cheese, the yummiest meatballs in the world.